Hello, everybody. So, listen, this is something that I picked up at Atlantic Antic. As you can see, I already started eating the this pudding here. This is from Jess Pudd'in LLC. They were at Antic. They had a booth out there. So, since it was a small business, black owned business, woman owned business like myself, I said, let me check them out. Let me give them a little bit of support. But I don't like to eat in front of people because sometimes, when you eat in front of people, if you don't like it, it'll hurt their feelings. Well, listen, I would not have hurt her feelings. This is really good. And I had a feeling it was going to be good because there was another customer that was ahead of me, and he actually was eating it, turned around, came back, and tried a couple of other flavors. So I had a feeling that I was going to like it, but I wanted to be at home, comfortable, what have you. But yes, this is it right here. The pistachio and the cookies and cream. But I didn't touch the cookies and cream yet because I know that's going to send me over to the top. I'm really trying to stick to somewhat of a diet. You know how your mind wants to be on a diet, but your cravings are like, I don't care about no diet. I want it. I want it now. So what I do is I compromise and I try to have like a little at a time. But as you can see, I pretty much went crazy with the pistachio. Excuse the nails, guys. It is what it is. But I am going to prepare for that day. But yeah, you see, I probably had a little bit more than I should have. Anyway, these are the other flavors. If you can't see, it's banana. Prince Delight, I don't remember what that was. Rice pudding, cookies and cream pudding, which is this on here on the other side. Then pistachio is what I have in my hand, pistachio nut, strawberry, and then BB Brown Blast. I believe the guy had the BB Brown Blast and he was like, oh my God, oh no, and came back and bought another one. I was running out of time because I don't live in Brooklyn. I travel, to all the different boroughs and different states and things like that. But anyway, it was getting a little late and I didn't want to miss my boat. So I said, all right, I'm going to buy this, support a small business, and then see what it's like. And honestly, I wasn't even going to do a video on it, but this is so good. I had to do a video. I had to do it. I had to share. I'm not stingy when it comes to sharing information, when it comes to sharing. I want to see this lady win. I want this business to be prosperous. I don't know them personally. That Atlantic Antic was the first time I ever heard, saw, seen, smelled, tasted anything like this. So no. And the lady doesn't even know that I'm doing this. So no, I'm not sponsored. Okay. But yes, this is good. I strongly recommend this. I'm going to go look for the website for her and put it below. Hopefully she does have a website, but I did find that, yes, she does have a physical store in Brooklyn that one can go to and visit. Now, I must admit, I did not ask if it was dairy free or gluten free or anything like that. See, I'm supposed to be on a diet, right? But my taste buds, they don't care about a diet. My taste buds, it's like, yeah, I want what I want. Sometimes I can taste stuff in my mouth before I actually put it in there. Anyway, I came to, a compromise. And the compromise was, yeah, we're going to eat, but we're going to eat a little bit at a time, not all of it. And actually, I once had a person, a coach, if you will, personal trainer, that said, you should eat or treat yourself once a week. Because if you starve yourself or if you deprive yourself from what you want for too long, when it's time, sometimes that craving hits and it'll hit hard, you'll overdo it. You understand me? So she was saying, have that cake. You don't have to eat the whole cake. You can have a slice of cake, maybe like once a week or once a month. So listen, it's been what? When was the last time I had treated myself to something? It was so long ago, I don't even remember. Honestly, I don't remember. I don't think it was last month. It may have been 2 months, or was that 3 months ago? I know it was in the summer. Okay, and now it's October. We're in the fall month. I deserve to get a little something, but I'm not going to overdo it because this is my birthday month. And when my birthday comes, I'm pretty sure I'm going to be getting something sweet. And if I don't, I'll still have this. I'll definitely have that cookies and cream because, oh boy, I'm telling you, you got to get it. You got to get it. It's really, really good. All right. So enough of me letting you know about this. Please support some of these small businesses because some of these people are very creative. Some of them, the food is actually better than some of these 5-star restaurants. And you also get more. You get more for your bargain. We got to stretch our pennies, guys. We have to stretch our dollars, especially if we love to travel and if we love to go out. Okay, so anyway, that's all I got to say. Hopefully, I'll see you in the next video. You'll watch the next video that I push out. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. All right, peace.